Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. If you want to delete Gmail account permanently, then you are on the right video. Watch complete video to learn how to delete Gmail account permanently. In this video, I am going to show you how to do this. First of all, you have to open Gmail account on your computer and click on profile icon at top left. Here you have to choose manage your Google account. Now you have to click on data and privacy option from the left side. Now you have to scroll down and choose delete your Google account under more options. You can save your data by clicking on download your data option. After this you have to scroll down and check these two options. Now click on delete account. You can see your Google account has been deleted. This is the easy and simple way to delete Google account permanently. Like and share this video if it works well for you. Also subscribe our Let Me Guide channel and press bell icon to get more problem solving videos. Thank you.